What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Mitolyn before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end, so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Mitolyn works. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a revolutionary weight loss supplement designed to help individuals achieve their fitness goals more effectively. This innovative product harnesses the power of natural ingredients to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and enhance energy levels. Mitolyn stands out in the crowded weight loss market due to its unique formulation that targets multiple aspects of weight management simultaneously. It's not just another diet pill. It's a comprehensive approach to healthy weight loss that considers the complexities of the human body. The product is formulated to be safe for daily use and is manufactured in facilities that adhere to strict quality control standards, ensuring that users receive a consistent and reliable product. How does Mitolyn work? Mitolyn operates through a multi-faceted approach to weight loss, addressing several key factors that contribute to excess weight. At its core, Mitolyn works by enhancing the body's natural metabolic processes. It contains ingredients that have been scientifically shown to increase the rate at which the body burns calories, even when at rest. This boost in metabolism helps create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Another crucial aspect of Mitolyn's functionality is its ability to optimize fat burning. The supplement aids in improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Better digestion means more efficient processing of food and less likelihood of bloating or water retention, contributing to a leaner appearance and overall well-being.